The double-hung window is, without a doubt, the most omnipresent element of the American residential landscape. Its classic silhouette has defined centuries of construction, from early colonial settlements to modern subdivisions. It features two sashes that slide vertically, allowing for both top and bottom openings to ensure efficient ventilation. Visually, they offer a comforting symmetry. In traditional models, such as the Cape Cod, you will frequently see the use of muntins, the small wooden dividers that create the timeless multi-pane effect. It is a window that communicates stability and tradition. In terms of maintenance, these versatile classics often feature a tilt-in design for easy cleaning from the inside, merging 18th century aesthetics with 21st century practicality. It is the perfect choice for those seeking the balance between historical functionality and contemporary comfort. If the double-hung window represents tradition, the casement window embodies visual clarity. These are side-hinged units that swing outward via a crank handle, offering a completely unobstructed view. Because they lack a central horizontal rail, they are a favorite among architects looking to frame nature without interruption. Their versatility makes them suitable for a wide range of architectural styles, including modern, industrial, and historic designs. When open, they function much like the sails of a ship, capturing side breezes and funneling them into the living space, ensuring the best ventilation of any window type. In a close-up detail, one can observe the stainless steel mechanisms and the airtight seal. When closed, casement windows are exceptionally thermally efficient as the wind presses the sash against the frame, sealing any gaps. In craftsman style or contemporary luxury residences, they are often installed in groupings, creating true walls of glass that seem to breathe. The absence of internal grids focuses all attention on the texture of the glass and the external landscape. The awning window is the architectural solution for unpredictable weather. Hinged at the top, it swings outward, creating a natural glass canopy. This functional feature allows the window to remain open even during rainfall. They are ideal for natural ventilation, security, thanks to their airtight seal, and privacy, making them perfect for high placements, kitchens, bathrooms, or basements. This piece exudes functionalist modernism. You will frequently find it positioned above doors or combined with larger fixed windows, acting as a strategic ventilation module. Aesthetically, its horizontal form accentuates architectural linearity, being an essential component in prairie-style projects or minimalist contemporary homes. The finish is typically clean, featuring thin aluminum or treated wood frames. It is a technical window, designed for those who value climate control and pure geometry. The picture window is named for an obvious reason. Its sole purpose is to transform the landscape into a living work of art. As fixed windows that do not open, they eliminate the need for hardware, tracks, or cranks, resulting in a minimalist frame and maximum glass area. It is the celebration of natural light in its purest form. In grand residential projects, these windows are used to anchor the central void of a room, creating a visceral connection with the outside world. From a technical standpoint, because they are permanently sealed, they offer superior energy efficiency by preventing any heat loss. In terms of design, they demand perfect proportions. It is the favorite element for highlighting the grandeur of a location, whether it is a dense forest or a sweeping urban landscape. Bay and bow windows are sculptural extensions of the home. They do more than just let in light. They expand the physical space and maximize natural illumination. Bay windows, featuring 3 panels, create a sharp, angular look, ideal for Victorian or modern styles. While a traditional bay window consists of 3 panels at acute angles, the bow window utilizes 4 or more panels to create a soft, graceful curve. They create what we call a light niche, an additional interior space often transformed into a reading nook or a miniature winter garden. Historically associated with Victorian luxury and cottage charm, they add a fascinating geometric complexity to the facade. By capturing light from multiple angles throughout the day, the interior remains illuminated much longer, creating a play of shadows and depth. Inside, it feels as if you are floating in the garden. It is a choice that communicates both comfort and sophistication. The sliding window is the essence of space efficiency and modern design. Operating horizontally on tracks, it occupies no interior or exterior space when opened, making it an excellent option for areas where space is restricted. It is a direct evolution of modern aesthetics, focused on ease of use and durability. Its operation is silent and fluid, reminiscent of the sliding doors that connect interiors to outdoor decks. In terms of composition, sliding windows tend to have a more horizontal orientation, which helps emphasize the width and stability of a structure. They are very common in kitchens, positioned above the sink, offering a clear view of the backyard while daily tasks are performed. With frames that can vary from practical vinyl to industrial steel, they adapt to any budget while always maintaining a clean and uncomplicated visual line. The front porch is the social heart of American architecture. More than just a simple shelter, it serves as a transitional zone between the privacy of the home and the street. Historically, it is the defining element of the sidewalk connection in neighborhood hospitality. It is a covered area at the front of the house, commonly used for relaxing and interacting with neighbors. Structurally, it protects the main entrance from the elements, while keeping the facade both stately and welcoming. Whether in a classic colonial style or a modern farmhouse design, the front porch is an open invitation to rest and watch the rhythm of the neighborhood go by. For those seeking grandeur and ventilation, the wraparound porch is the ultimate solution. This porch circles at least two sides of the house, usually connecting the front facade to a side elevation. It is a hallmark of majestic Victorian homes and large rural estates. This design allows residents to follow the shade or the breeze throughout the day, creating multiple outdoor living areas in a single structure. Visually, it elongates the house's lines, providing a sense of scale and country luxury. It is the perfect setting for long summer afternoons, where architecture seamlessly merges with the surrounding horizon. The screened-in porch is the smart answer for those who want contact with nature without the interruptions of the outdoors. Very popular in humid regions or the American South, this porch is fully protected by fine mesh screens. This allows the breeze to flow freely while keeping insects and debris out of the living space. It is an extension of the living room that can be used at night with the lights on, worry-free. Aesthetically, the mesh is nearly invisible from a distance, preserving the transparency and lightness of the original structure, blending indoor comfort with the freedom of being outside. Located at the rear of the house, and either covered or uncovered, the back porch is dedicated to family intimacy. Facing the backyard, this space is centered on privacy and personal leisure. It is where the architecture becomes more relaxed and functional. Often connected to the kitchen or dining room, the back porch serves as the setting for barbecues, outdoor dinners, or simply watching the children play. In terms of design, it typically uses sturdy, durable materials, functioning as a practical extension that enhances the use of the lot while creating a private retreat away from the noise of the street. The portico is the ultimate expression of elegance and architectural focus. Unlike a full porch, the portico is a smaller structure covering only the entrance, supported by classic columns. It is an essential element in the Greek Revival style, evoking the sophistication of ancient temples. It serves to protect guests upon arrival and to give a monumental scale to the main door. In a visual analysis, the portico creates a play of light and shadow that highlights the building's symmetry. It is a powerful technical detail, capable of transforming a simple facade into a prestigious and authoritative entrance. The sunroom, also known as a lanai in tropical climates, is the ultimate celebration of light. Completely enclosed by glass, it acts as a heat and light collector throughout the year,
allowing residents to enjoy the view of the garden even in the harshest winters. It is the space where the border between inside and outside disappears completely. Technically, it requires careful planning of ventilation and thermal insulation. It represents the pinnacle of residential well-being, a versatile environment that functions as an oasis of serenity, surrounded by nature but protected by design. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video.